Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering both devices and opening Bluetooth. Pair your AirPods immediately. Once paired, open the Translate app or Control Center shortcut and set the target language so the system routes audio correctly. Make sure microphone permissions are allowed. Without them, the app can't capture speech. Then position the person speaking close to your iPhone or use Live Listen as a microphone proxy. This prepares the audio path so translation flows into your AirPods in real time. Now activate Conversation or the third-party translator and select both source and target languages. Choose Conversation mode for back-and-forth flow. Press the microphone control and speak or hand the phone to the other person. The app transcribes and plays the translated audio through your AirPods. If ambient noise is an issue, enable Live Listen so the phone acts like a directional mic. Place it closer to the speaker. Make sure ringtone volume and media volume are up so translations are audible in your AirPods. Finish by verifying the translated output is coming through your AirPods and adjusting volume for clarity. Once done, monitor latency. If translation lags, move closer to the phone or switch networks to reduce delay. If audio cuts out, stop the session, repair the AirPods, and reopen the translator. Often a quick reconnect fixes routing. One key troubleshooting tip: if translations aren't captured, double-check microphone permissions and that Live Listen isn't muted, because permission or mic routing is the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.